about me today I want to plug you nge-Bub makeup from Appetite. Uma sengifikile ekhaya ke ngabe sengilungisa ama-plug ami ngiyanikhomba simbonyo ngiyanikhomba libhodo lami guys mina ngendlela ngenisaza ngakhona bafethu so kungimanje wena angeke usawashana nemabhodo lamnyama lana bafethu asebenzisa istilula because le bhodo leli it's non-stick guys so lapha phakathi uthola spoon uthola i-cup for kukha impuphu nani nje leli bottle njengoba ulibona nje clean as it is guys uma usebenzisa leli bottle leli firstly you need to ulwashe kahle uliclean ulisule lana bese ngifaka amandami sengiprepare ke so ngidonikhomba step by step to use the machine njengoba niyabona ngiyaonisa ngiyasho ukuthi nginakupheka lipalishi then ngishaya prepare then so ya relaxa utomva sathi twi lapho ke sekumele wena uyongeta impuphu vele ufaka impuphu ukayibona phi nje into ukuthi uvele ufaka impuphu ubinza uthi do bafethu i-technology tosibulala then my purpose done nal bafethu ngayiphala ngane naliphalisi lethu bafethu I can't wait ngithole kahle pho mina ngiyavila lapha la bese ngiphakela just like that cabanga 20 minutes wena uyadla liphalisi just like that ne-rice yapheka nestambu sapheka konke nje nenyama uyapheka lapha athi mina ngithandzele lokho silipalishi guys angithandi kupheka mina angithandi kupheka love you guys bye